Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have access and a backup ready, so start by locating the bumper CPM GG entry point. Open the ad settings or plugin config, then search for bumper, CPM, or GG flags. Once found, note current values and take a screenshot for rollback. Make a small test change, reduce the CPM parameter or toggle the bumper flag off so you can verify effect without full removal. This first action confirms impact and prevents unintended downtime. Now, remove the bumper code paths or settings at their source. Edit config files and server scripts where the CPM or bumper is enforced. Replace hard-coded values with environment variables or default fallbacks, and remove any triggering rules. Once edits are staged, redeploy to a non-production environment and monitor logs and add impressions. Make sure to validate metrics and user flow so you catch side effects. This avoids breaking delivery or triggering policy checks when you later push live. Finalize by deploying during low-traffic windows, then monitor key KPIs, ad fills, CPM, error rates, for at least 24 to 48 hours. If you see unexpected spikes or missing inventory, revert immediately to your backup and reapply changes incrementally to isolate the cause. Make sure to inform your team and record what was changed and why. This prevents repeat problems. One troubleshooting tip: if removal breaks reporting, check attribution filters and API rate limits first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.